would have wanted the unit team.
To thrive and to be successful.
Kasi it was the first effort of getting both leaders elected from the same party. Kung nakikita natin si GMA at si Kabayan yata, they were the last. And then you had Digong and Lenny from opposing, Noy and
sino ba ni President Noy?
From opposing rin yun kasi hindi naman si Mar yung nanalo eh.
Yeah.
So these things, very unique yun na dalawa, and my God, the mandate. One was 31 and the other one was 32 million. So it was enough to change the country. To really redirect it into something na ito yung gusto ng tao. But I guess the plan to remain in power got the better of the unit team early. So
which side? The Marcos side or
the Marcos side? So yung tanong mo, masyado nang nasira si Vice President Duterte, parang ini-stick na magnanakaw ka rin, mamamatay tao katulad ng tatay mo. But I still go by the Constitution. Kasi mahirap pag umalis tayo sa constitutional succession eh. Klarado yung constitutional succession. Yun ngang in case of vacancy of vote, ang sabi sa Constitution, dapat
President.
dapat merong enabling law. Wala naman nagpapal ng succession law. So napaka-critical na sundan natin yung saligang batas natin, at kung ano mang mangyari sa presidente, ang vice presidente ang magte-take over. Meron pa nga panukala na ang caretaker daw si Chief Justice Gesmundo. Wala naman yung sa saligang batas. So anything that is out of the Constitution is extra constitutional. And for that there is the RevGov, there is the junta,
right.
diba? And really with the economy like this, we will not survive. So it's better we stick to the Constitution, fix the economy, and then later on probably start fixing the Constitution so that it's easier to change